Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb on a Singer 5830C sewing machine. To do so, we're going to look at the front of the machine. There's a screw right down here. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove that. Then we're going to remove this panel. That gives us access to the light bulb. Now it's spring activated, so we're going to push up and twist, and then release the pressure and it'll come down. When you have your new light bulb, you just got to make sure you line up these pegs with the slots in the side. Push up to compress the spring, twist, let go, and you're good to go. When you're all done, put your faceplate back on and screw it back into place. And unfortunately, I can't test this one for you to show you that it lights up because I don't have the power cord for it anymore, but you'll be able to test that on your own. That's all there is to it, folks. Really nice and simple. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.